And welcome back. Time now for your lunchtime sports. There is a change with the player contracts for the Jamaica Scorpions ahead of the 2023-2024 regional cricket season. There is an interim contract that will run from July 1, 2023 to September 30, 2023 with new 12-month contracts that start from October 1, 2023 to September 30, 2024. Jamaica Cricket Association CEO Courtney Francis outlines the reason for the change.
Period would have been from the 30th of June annually for the contracted players. However, the CWI financial year ends the 30th of September. So what they're doing now is to synchronize both the players' cycle along with the financial cycle. It's better for accounting purposes and stuff like that. So what happened now at the end of this period, at the end of June, CWI is extending the contracts for most persons up to the 30th of September.
Francis adds that some of the selected players will be released after the 3 months.
We're being extended now. The coaching staff would have had a discussion with those persons prior because, there are some persons who the Scorpion is not going to be renewing. And those persons, they would have had the dialogue with the management of the coaching staff. And so some new persons are going to be included between now and the end of September.
Meanwhile, 7 first-time retained players are in the squad. Former West Indies under-19 players Kurt McKenzie and Daniel Beckford, Javel Glenn, Tevin Gilzine, Shalom Parnell, Andre Bailey, Ojay Shields, Pete Salmon and Abhijaman Singh. The rest of the list includes Markina Minley, Javor Royal, Derval Green, Carlos Brown, Brad Barnes and Gordon Bryan. The Jamaica Scorpions' next regional engagement is in November for the defense of the Super 50 crown. Now, Jamaica's women suffered a 5-2 defeat to host El Salvador in their opening Group B match of the football competition. This at the CAC Games. Shaheen Nelson in the 13th minute and Toya Atkinson in the 79th were the scorers for Jamaica. Now they'll next play Puerto Rico's women on Sunday. The Puerto Ricans lost 4-0 to Mexico in their opening match yesterday. Meanwhile, Jamaica's men's football team will be back in action at the Games this afternoon when they face off with Costa Rica in their second Group B match. Match time is 6 p.m. The Jamaican men had drawn 1-1 with Honduras in their opening match on Wednesday. In other events featuring Jamaicans this afternoon at the Games, the men's hockey team will battle hosts El Salvador at 1 p.m. Meanwhile, in basketball, Jamaica's men's team will take on the Dominican Republic at 2:30 p.m. as well as Haiti at 6:30 p.m. in the 3-on-3 competition. And that's where we leave the courts for now. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Anthony Lugg. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.